Austere means simple and without luxury. Austere means simple and without luxury. He lived an austere life. Benevolent means kind and generous. Benevolent means kind and generous. A benevolent donor helped the poor. Clandestine means secret or hidden. Clandestine means secret or hidden. They held a clandestine meeting. Derelict means neglected or abandoned. Derelict means neglected or abandoned. The building was derelict. Eloquent means fluent and persuasive in speech. Eloquent means fluent and persuasive in speech. She delivered an eloquent speech. Furtive means secretive or sneaky. Furtive means secretive or sneaky. He cast a furtive glance. Gregarious means sociable and friendly. Gregarious means sociable and friendly. She has a gregarious personality. Hapless means unlucky or unfortunate. Hapless means unlucky or unfortunate. The hapless victim needed help. Incisive means clear and sharp in thinking. Incisive means clear and sharp in thinking. He made incisive remarks. Juxtapose means to place side by side. Juxtapose means to place side by side. The artist juxtaposed colors cleverly. Keen-eyed means having sharp vision. Keen-eyed means having sharp vision. The keen-eyed guard noticed movement. Lethargic means slow and lacking energy. Lethargic means slow and lacking energy. I felt lethargic after lunch. Munificent means very generous. Munificent means very generous. She made a munificent donation. Nonchalant means calm and unconcerned. Nonchalant means calm and unconcerned. He seemed nonchalant about failure. Ostentatious means showy and flashy. Ostentatious means showy and flashy. He dislikes ostentatious displays. Pristine means in original, unspoiled condition. Pristine means in original, unspoiled condition. The beach remained pristine. Quell means to suppress or put an end to. Quell means to suppress or put an end to. Police tried to quell the riot. Reverent means showing deep respect. Reverent means showing deep respect. They stood in reverent silence. Sardonic means mocking or cynical. Sardonic means mocking or cynical. He gave a sardonic smile. Tenacious means persistent and determined. Tenacious means persistent and determined. Her tenacious efforts paid off. Unequivocal means clear and without doubt. Unequivocal means clear and without doubt. He gave an unequivocal answer. Vacillate means to be indecisive. Vacillate means to be indecisive. Do not vacillate in crisis. Wistful means sadly thoughtful. Wistful means sadly thoughtful. She felt wistful remembering childhood. Yearn means to long deeply for something. Yearn means to long deeply for something. He yearns for success. Zealot means fanatically devoted person. Zealot means fanatically devoted person. He is a political zealot. Abstain means to deliberately avoid. Abstain means to deliberately avoid. He chose to abstain from voting. Blatant means very obvious or offensive. Blatant means very obvious or offensive. It was a blatant lie. Convoluted means very complex or confusing. Convoluted means very complex or confusing. The plot was convoluted. Discrepancy means difference or inconsistency. Discrepancy means difference or inconsistency. There is a discrepancy in accounts. Enigmatic means mysterious and puzzling. Enigmatic means mysterious and puzzling. She has an enigmatic smile. Flourish means to grow or develop well. Flourish means to grow or develop well. Businesses flourish in cities. Gullible means easily deceived. Gullible means easily deceived. Do not be gullible. Haughty means arrogantly proud. Haughty means arrogantly proud. His haughty tone annoyed them. Immutable means unchangeable. Immutable means unchangeable. The law seemed immutable. Judicious means showing good judgment. Judicious means showing good judgment. Make judicious investments. Lurid means shocking or sensational. Lurid means shocking or sensational. The news gave lurid details. Meticulous means extremely careful and precise. Meticulous means extremely careful and precise. She keeps meticulous records. Nefarious means wicked or criminal. Nefarious means wicked or criminal. He planned a nefarious act. Oblivious means unaware of surroundings. Oblivious means unaware of surroundings. He was oblivious to danger. Pragmatic means practical and realistic. Pragmatic means practical and realistic. We need a pragmatic solution. Rescind means to cancel officially. Rescind means to cancel officially. The order was rescinded. Stoical means calm in suffering. Stoical means calm in suffering. She stayed stoical under pressure. Trivial means of little importance. Trivial means of little importance. Ignore trivial matters. Unwarranted means not justified. Unwarranted means not justified. The criticism was unwarranted. Volatile means unstable or changeable. Volatile means unstable or changeable. The market is volatile. Withhold means to hold back. Withhold means to hold back. He withheld information. Aberrant means departing from the normal. Aberrant means departing from the normal. His behavior was aberrant. Bucolic means related to the countryside. Bucolic means related to the countryside. They enjoyed a bucolic lifestyle. Caustic means sarcastic or biting. Caustic means sarcastic or biting. She made a caustic remark. Dilapidated means falling apart or ruined. Dilapidated means falling apart or ruined. They lived in a dilapidated house. Eclectic means from many different sources. Eclectic means from many different sources. She has an eclectic taste in music. Fastidious means very attentive to detail. Fastidious means very attentive to detail. He is fastidious about cleanliness. Grimace means a facial expression of pain. Grimace means a facial expression of pain. He made a grimace after falling. Hearsay means information not personally witnessed. Hearsay means information not personally witnessed. The claim was based on hearsay. Iconoclast means one who challenges traditions. Iconoclast means one who challenges traditions. The artist was an iconoclast. Jaded means tired or bored due to excess. Jaded means tired or bored due to excess. He felt jaded by routine. Kinetic means related to motion. Kinetic means related to motion. The sculpture has kinetic energy. Laconic means using very few words. Laconic means using very few words. His laconic reply ended the debate. Malleable means easily shaped or influenced. Malleable means easily shaped or influenced. Young minds are malleable. Nostalgic means longing for the past. Nostalgic means longing for the past. Old photos made her nostalgic. Obdurate means stubbornly refusing to change. Obdurate means stubbornly refusing to change. He remained obdurate. Palpable means clearly noticeable. Palpable means clearly noticeable. Tension was palpable. Quixotic means unrealistically idealistic. Quixotic means unrealistically idealistic. His plan was quixotic. Resplendent means splendid or shining. Resplendent means splendid or shining. The palace looked resplendent. Spurious means false or fake. Spurious means false or fake. The claim was spurious. Taciturn means quiet or reserved. Taciturn means quiet or reserved. He is naturally taciturn. Urbane means polite and refined. Urbane means polite and refined. He has an urbane manner. Venerate means to deeply respect. Venerate means to deeply respect. They venerate their elders. Wayward means unpredictable or difficult to control. Wayward means unpredictable or difficult to control. The child was wayward. Yearning means deep longing. Yearning means deep longing. She felt yearning for home. Zephyrus means a gentle west wind. Zephyrus means a gentle west wind. A zephyrus cooled the evening. Ambivalent means having mixed feelings. Ambivalent means having mixed feelings. She felt ambivalent about moving. Boisterous means noisy and energetic. Boisterous means noisy and energetic. The crowd was boisterous. Circuitous means longer than necessary. Circuitous means longer than necessary. We took a circuitous route. Despondent means very sad and hopeless. Despondent means very sad and hopeless. He looked despondent after failure. Ethereal means delicate and light. Ethereal means delicate and light. The music sounded ethereal. Flippant means not showing seriousness. Flippant means not showing seriousness. His flippant tone annoyed her. Harbinger means a sign of something coming. Harbinger means a sign of something coming. Dark clouds are a harbinger of rain. Insipid means dull or lacking flavor. Insipid means dull or lacking flavor. The food tasted insipid. Juvenile means immature or childish. Juvenile means immature or childish. Stop making juvenile jokes. Kindred means similar in nature. Kindred means similar in nature. They share kindred spirits. Loquacious means very talkative. Loquacious means very talkative. The host was loquacious. Mercurial means changing moods quickly. Mercurial means changing moods quickly. He has a mercurial temperament. Noxious means harmful or poisonous. Noxious means harmful or poisonous. Noxious gases filled the room. Opaque means hard to understand or see through. Opaque means hard to understand or see through. The rules are opaque. Prodigal means wasteful with money. Prodigal means wasteful with money. He lived a prodigal life. Rhetoric means persuasive language. Rhetoric means persuasive language. Political rhetoric influenced voters. Superfluous means more than necessary. Superfluous means more than necessary. Remove superfluous details. Tenebrous means dark or gloomy. Tenebrous means dark or gloomy. The forest was tenebrous.